This is Beira International Airport of Mozambique, Africa. A minister of Mozambique is going inside as last passenger. This aircraft is full of passengers, about 200 plus, and it's about to take off. I'm here to receive my relative who is landing by this flight of Ethiopian Airlines. But the matter happens here. When this aircraft is preparing to take off and just started the plane, they notice a technical issue. Only one fan is spinning here, means another engine is not working. They are trying by many signals. You know what? Whatever done by God is the best plan for his creature. Can you imagine what would happen if this issue occurred while flying? What a massive accident would happen. Meanwhile, Ethiopian Airlines is coming to park here, but no way. I think they can't take off today. While opening door, pilot and cabin crews are coming out, but minister and lots of passengers are on board. Maybe they did something here and checking more.
Same issue.
But same issue. Started for second time, but negative. Let's see what's happened here. Meanwhile, you guys please subscribe the channel Saifrica and follow Saifrica to enjoy more interesting videos from Africa. Wow, Alhamdulillah. Maybe it's gonna work. Second one is working too. I don't know what happened to him. Ethiopian Airlines is offloading here. And finally, Mozambique Airlines is gonna fly. Alhamdulillah. This is how look inside Beira International Airport of Mozambique and its front side.